Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are jumping straight into the video. I'm just priming the skin with a little bit of the L'Oreal Magic Base. This was my first time using it, so I'm like real up close with the mirror. Excuse the ratchet hair, I am super duper sorry. Told my boyfriend to put the camera and he does not even warn a bitch. Thanks, boo. Next, I'm going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfection foundation, and then I will be adding some Better Skin onto my Clarisonic to blend this in. I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape and a little bit of the IT Cosmetics because it wasn't giving me enough coverage right now. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm just applying the IT Cosmetics with my beauty blender. Next, I'm setting my under eyes with the e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade Fair Light. And I'm just using the e.l.f. powder brush. Set the rest of my face with the powder. Now I'm just using my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Elvis Duran 14. So I'm just doing a little bit of nose contour with the same bronzer. Now I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild blush. Going in with the Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is the golden one. I actually I'm not living for it. I saw Tati rave about it and I was just like, oh, I have to get it. I need the rose gold one, I guess, because this one isn't like that bomb, you know? I don't know. I'm picky, okay? So I'm just setting the face with the MAC Fix Plus. And then I use my beauty blender to set that in my skin. To prime the lids, I'm just using my Benefit concealer. The faux Huda Beauty palette today, and I'm just going in with the light shade to set my crease area. Next, I'm using this burgundy shade Bossy in my outer V and a little bit into my crease. I'm just using a Luxie 231 brush. I'm using my Morphe 35N palette. Just using the burnt orange shade in the palette. And we're just gonna blend that into the burgundy shade that we just applied. And I'm gonna bring that all the way up and all the way into my inner corner. A lot of blending. Need patience for eyeshadow. I'm using the e.l.f. Molten eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. It's carving out my lid, bringing that all the way out into a wing form. We'll put a close-up of how it ended up looking because you can't really see it as much as I'm applying it. Where you want more color, you apply more pressure, and then when you're winging it out, you lightly use less pressure. Using the shade Angelique. That was the second heart that appeared for the Huda Beauty palette. This shade was on the more powdery side, not my cup of tea. Next, of course, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm so sorry. Once 3 months pass, it'll be gone, don't worry. Buys another one. Of course, I'm using my Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade. #bomb.com. It's just super easy to use, lasts all day, pretty much smudge proof because my son is nuts. And this is the close-up of the wing. So now I'm applying that shade Bossy onto my lower lash line. Now for lips, I'm using the Milani Matte in the shade Matte Naked. I am a little all over the place, but that's real life. I'm using the shade Rose Natural in my Pixie lip. Next, I'm going in with the Jouer lip topper. For liner, I'm using the Maybelline Unstoppable and the NYX Wonder Pencil. This completes today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope everyone is having a great new year.